If you're looking to upgrade your workspace comfort, Cosy T03 and Element Siggy are two popular ergonomic mesh chairs. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down fast. So the Cosy T03 is a fully mesh ergonomic chair with strong adjustability, 3D armrests, adjustable lumbar, headrest, backrest angle, and sliding seat, designed for support posture and airflow for long sessions at your desk. It hits solid ergonomics basics and meets standard load ratings with comfortable mesh that relieves pressure points. Some of its pros: broad 3D armrest adjustments and adjustable lumbar support, breathable mesh, and flexible tilt recline for comfort. However, some users online noted mixed experiences with fit and comfort. Ergonomic preferences vary a lot with body type. The Element Siggy also uses an all-mesh design with adjustable height, recline with multiple lock positions, a headrest, and 3D armrest, giving you personalized support for long work or gaming days. Reviews highlight good breathability and comfort for extended use, making it competitive with high-priced chairs. Some of its pros: comfortable breathable mesh and intuitive adjustments for posture. It has strong value in its class with good long session support. However, some units may have minor durability quirks like squeaking or armrest panel issues. Experiences vary. The final verdict: choose Cosy T03 if you want a solid adjustability focused ergonomic build with flexible armrests and lumbar support that suits many home work setups, especially if you want max mechanical adjustments. Choose Element Siggy if you want a comfortable, breathable all-mesh chair that feels roomy and supportive for long days at the desk, with a slightly more refined adjustment feel and positive user feedback on comfort. The bottom line: Cosy T03 for adjustability and airflow focus, and the Siggy for breathable comfort with reliable ergonomic support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.